Good morning, student. Today I will deal about the woman empowerment. So, what is the woman empowerment? Woman empowerment refers to increasing the spiritual, political, social, educational, gender, or economic strength of individual and communities of women. That means woman empowerment is a process where we encouraging the woman to increase their strength on the side of spiritual, on the areas of spiritual, political, social, educational, gender, and economical areas. So that one is a woman empowerment. Next, come to the point that one is a need for empowerment. Why the woman empowerment is needed? So, first one is a decision making power. To encouraging the woman through the educations, through the social activities, and through involving in political areas that enhancing the decision making power in women. They are totally free about to taking any type of decision in anywhere in any situation and any kinds of problems. Next, freedom of woman. So this one is also encouraging the woman to living in a free living in a freedom way that enhancing the woman to increase their life. Access to education, that means empowering the woman to given or providing the requirement education according to their they want if they want to taking a higher education should be provided the education to the woman to increasing their status in a society in a country. Access to employment, given any job opportunity to women that enhancing their life stability, also enhancing the families and communities power, and also enhancing the nation's power. Exposure to media, that one is also needed for to enhancing their confidence, their self esteem in front of the people or in front of the communities or another that their society. That one is also a need. Next one is domestic violence. So woman empowerment is also needed for uh, uh, stand for against the domestic violence, because of the domestic violence is the domestic violence is also uh, cause the decrease the woman's stability and their confidence. So that one is also important for empowering the woman to stand against the domestic violence and use their right to take a justice about domestic violence. So this is the kind of the need of woman empowerment. Next one is the advantage of woman empowerment. Why the woman, if the women are empowered, so which type of the advantages are resulting? So first one is an next generation will be empowered because of her. So woman empowerment is woman from the woman empowerments, the next generation will be also motivated from the old generation of the women. If woman will be empowered, she will not be a burden on anyone. So woman empowerment is very important to increase the enhance the ability, stability, and strength of the woman, that they stop those social pupils or communities who are understand the woman is a burdens. So next one is a financial burden of man can be shared. So when the woman is empowered, Financially, she support her family and her husband to manage or tackle the economical or financial problem. Family can be also strong because of woman is working and economical problem is also solved in her families. Then where financial problem, that means the when the woman is empowered economically, the conflicts problem or in the families, that will also resolve. So this is the advantage of woman empowerment. Next, how to empower the woman. So way to empowering the woman, first helping them, uh, helping them to lead a lead self own business, and help them to grow more and more, and also help them to get quality of education so they want, help them to achieve their victory against every evil like the domestic violence, and providing the education, self employment and self help group. They also the self employment and self help groups, that is the combination or group of the women. They help themselves, providing minimum need like nutrition, health, education or housing. Other than this, society change the societies or communities mind regarding uh, regarding the women's. That means the tell about the positive impact of women empowerment and their advantages for our countries, for our nations, for our families. Then what is the barriers? Barriers which are affect the woman empowerment. So first one is a gender related barriers, caste systems, cultural belief, demographic factors, and higher dropout among the girls from the schools, and and also given the importance for the boys' education on school, and environments, as well as school environment is also the type of the barrier for the woman empowerment. And poverty is a main cause of woman empowerment, because of the poverty is lead the lower level educations, or that also increase the higher dropout rate among the girls. So this one is a barriers. Next, the type of the woman empowerment. Otherwise, we can say the areas of woman empowerment, in which areas the women are empowered. So first one is political empowerment. Political is a area where the woman is empowered to they are getting their rights and their stand for justice. And also the government is also initiating the some quotas in parliament for their position. So this is the areas where the woman is empowered. Next, in economic areas, previously I was dealt about the economical financial burdens related regarding economical and financially improvement. So in economic areas, women's encouraging women to creating self businesses, or other than providing the job opportunities in a various kind of places, institutions for their growth and development. So this one is also the economic empowerment. She will empowered uh, in term of economically, and they also take own decision, and that one is beneficial for themselves also, and family and communities. Social empowerment, in this area we can say, so women's involving the women's in social activities, like the in village areas like the uh, uh, lead the woman for a leaders. Otherwise, providing an opportunity to be a good leader for communities to take a proper decision. And we can also say the in social areas, they also understand the religions and institutions, discourses, and helping the needing pupils. So this one is also a platform for empowering the woman in a social activities when she is involving in a social activities. Next one is education empowerment in the site of or in the areas, education areas. So that one include the rising the status of women through education, through creating more and more awareness about the education, and more awareness, creating otherwise increasing their awareness regarding the positive impact of the education, and enhancing the more literacy rates among the women and providing the training. So this one is also helping the woman to empowering them. So this one is a kind of the uh, platform, otherwise we can say the areas where the woman is empowered. So thank you.